Today I'm going to share how to do a water spa. So I'll be using my moisture renewing softener from Mary Kay. I'll pour it onto cotton pad and then glide it onto my skin and then tap it in. This is the best way for you to ensure that there's the most well absorption. So we are using oil-free hydrating gel and intense moisturizing cream. Intense moisturizing cream 1 portion is to 2 portions of oil-free hydrating gel. Yeah, 2 portions. You see how moisturizing it is? Yeah. So let me mix it up together. I will use it on the back of my palm, so it's easier for me. And then mix it all together and place it onto your face. Yeah. Now I will massage it in. Yeah. So now I'm feeling a cooling effect on my skin. So it is hydrating my skin to ensure that there's the glowiness and healthy skin that is for sure that I will have after that. You will have too. Okay, so let me massage it in. Then don't forget your neck. Yeah, and now I'm going to use my supersonic Skinvigorate brush with the massager head. Yeah, so this device, you can change the massage head. So what you do is that you massage it in. It is at a supersonic speed that it will help you with the quick absorption and save time. Yeah, so with the hectic lifestyle, this is the device to go for lifted face and to allow your products to absorb as quickly as possible. Yeah, so this is how we all save time and also look good at the same time without any of the wastage of time that we would like to save. Yeah, so always use it to massage your neck as well, because this is one of the portion of our body that we really need to take care of. Yeah, and these are the products that I've used today. Thank you for watching the video.